going to do the rainbow bath bomb set. Whoops, there it is. So this is not how you were meant to use this bath bomb set. You're supposed to use them one or two at a time. You're not supposed to mix them all together in one bath, but I thought it would be fun to try to do that. So I'm gonna do them all together in one bath. And again, you are not supposed to do this because yeah, all the scents together is way super powerful. So one or two, that's how you're supposed to do it. But we're gonna do all of them. Just gonna show you what we've got in here. So I've got Green Gem, Romeo. When you get this set, you're not guaranteed to get any scent. It's just whatever colors I have in scents in stock. That's kind of the excitement of it. So you get a yellow, which is, this is yellow snow. Then there's a sweet orange. What else we got here? Cherry bomb, blueberry, lumberjack, huckleberry, soak and sparkle, sweet thing. Already did that one. Okay, so let me cut these guys open and then we'll put them in the bath. Well, that was super fun. So I think my favorite one out of those is the yellow snow. That was probably the most predominant scent that I could pick out of all of those bath bombs, even though there was like lumberjack and green gems, which are pretty strong. But that banana scent in yellow snow, that really comes through very strongly. So I don't know, I really like that. It smelled like tropical. It smelled really good. So anyway, all those mixed together was very, very strong, and I do not recommend people to do that, but you know, can't stop you.